Hello, my name is Andreea Niculae. I'm the technology lead for KPMG Romania and Moldova. And I have with me my colleague Martin, which is from Czech Republic, that was very nice and came today for helping us to complete a great event that we have on SAP. The topic was, let's say, cloud ERP innovation and AI. And Martin, first of all, thank you for coming and contributing.
Thank you
had a
it was
great presentation, very inspiring. We appreciate it a lot. So I'm wondering after today's event, because I think we had many clients with different questions and let's say challenges in our event. If you would be in front of one of them, and let's assume that they do not have yet an enterprise ERP in their company, what will be, in your opinion, the first 3 steps that, let's say, our client should consider when starting a journey for cloud ERP?
Yeah, I think that the first 3 steps, the simplest one, I think that every client which is thinking about new cloud ERP, speaking SAP ERP, should start with digital discovery assessment, just to know the scope, to know if they fit to the scope. And I think that we are every time ready to help them with. And it's a really big start because it avoids a lot of uncertainty. The second point is that they have to check their landscape, because again, it's very different if you just implement ERP isolated from other systems, but usually it's exceptional. So you have to understand how much effort it will take when you will later on have to integrate and put it together. So definitely this is a part of definition that you have to understand. And the third step is to check their cloud mindset, which we can discuss more and more. But if they are not ready for cloud, they are probably not ready for this step.
What it means to be ready for cloud?
I used nice allegory during my presentation when I said we are with our client like bride and groom coming to the new house, living together. That's a nice house. It's functional. It is a really modern and a lot of new technologies. But suddenly it's managed by mother-in-law. Doesn't matter if it's mine or her, because sometimes something is happening, changing itself. And we just have to accept it. That's the reality. And I would say it's smart mother-in-law, so why not? But people must be ready for that.
Okay, very nice allegory, I have to say. I will need to call my mother-in-law soon. You have a lot of experience in the, let's say, ERP journey, and I know that in the last year you also had the opportunity to deliver a couple of cloud projects. What are the, let's say, key lessons learned that you have after all this implementation?
Again, there's a lot, but I just select a few. First, don't expect perfect solution, because there is no perfect solution. Before you define what perfect means, it's moving forward and it's over. So actually, don't expect perfect solution. Just start with something. First, it's also important that there's a lot of learning, and it should be accepted. At the beginning, that is important that people know that they will have to learn, and they will get support and capacity, because typically owners are enthusiastic and people are overloaded. And this conflict some way in every project starts to make a problem, because then people cannot continue. And it's not unusual that we have to slow down, wait for them, or that we find that in the end of the phase of the project, some people even didn't do their homework, and it's a problem. So this is one lesson learned. Second is that don't fight against the change. Typically, if you survive 3 months with the solution, suddenly you find that everything is okay. But if you fight with it, there is a constant problem for yourself. And so I think that the major lesson learned for us as a consultants is that implementing public cloud is not so complicated technically, but it's very complicated as much as we have to deal with people and persuade them that they have to just follow us and they are not waiting what we do for them, but do it with us.
Okay, thank you. And my last question, speaking about cloud solution, and as an experienced SAP person that you are, what are the key capabilities or the changes that the cloud is bringing in comparison with what used to be, for example, SAP ERP on-prem? I mean, what if you would be a user, what you will get new or additionally or changed?
Being a new user of SAP, I would probably hope that all those new technologies will help me to have easier life, because SAP is introducing a lot of machine learning, a lot of AI, that kind of AI, which is helping me to see more and to do more with less knowledge, which is a very comfortable thing. The second thing, which I think is not maybe only a matter of cloud, but just new digital technologies SAP is running, is that if you remember ECC, you went to ECC for data, but you have to dig out the data from the system. And in cloud, in S4HANA, actually data are coming to you. So actually, once you have properly implemented your KPIs, your tails, your launchpad, you have your data immediately. And it's a big advantage against the old world we used to have.
Okay, so easier life, end of the day.
Easier life and quicker access to your data. And, because it's done properly, you are not in pitfalls like doing the report once per month, learning again how to do it. Why?
Okay, thank you for all these answers, and I am looking forward to have joint projects in Romania.
We are looking forward to.
Thank you, Martin.
Thank you.